Hello guys, this is the new speakers, floor standing speakers from Revival Audio. Continues the heritage of Atalante lineup speakers. So it's the second line from this new French company. This is the biggest model, the Sprint 4 floor standing. There is another one which is a bookshelf. And we're doing the unboxing. We already unboxed the two boxes. Now we're removing the covers. And this is the speaker in this oak finish. Very nice. This is the baffle in front, the cover. We can remove it magnetically, but it has a special technology. As you see, the curves there. It's very well designed in order to control the sound and to reduce the reflections and the distortions of the drivers, let's say. So this special baffle is called Elytron. So let's check the speakers. We installed first the stand, the cones underneath, four metallic plates, and then we screw on this golden plated spikes. Let's say they are not spikes because the spikes are dangerous. This is more user-friendly material here for our hands and for our floor. So here is the final installation. We see how beautiful is this finish. I like it very much, this finish, guys. The oak one comes in other finishes as well. So we see the logo of the company. Beautiful executed and beautiful designed from a new company by the name, not a new, a very well known company in France, A+A Current Design they call it. And the finish is blondie oak. It's exactly how Revival Audio calls. So it comes with two foams for the two bass reflex ports on the back, so to control the sound if we place them close to the walls, the back walls. So here are the terminals that we accept any kind of cable. It's easy to install or to cable to wire the speakers. So close up of the spikes, beautiful. It looks beautiful. The speaker, it's the height is all above 1 meter. So we're trying to remove a driver. Here are the screws. So there are two woofers of 78 inch. This is the woofer. Basalt sandwich construction is the cone, as the company calls it. Very nice construction, big magnets, a lot of details there I discovered. And I was impressed about all this high-end approach of the driver. You see how there is moving there are holes in order to cool down the voice coil there. The spider is moving. You see how supportive is the spider. And the cone itself of basalt, specialized polymer glue everywhere in order to reduce the damping, to have damping, 7 inch, we measured that. We're doing the review now in the magazine. On the back you see this special material for better application on the cabinet. It's a nice detail. On the back we see this hole as well. It's another nice detail of these special bass woofers to produce nice sound. The cabling is protected. Inside of the cabinet there is a lot of foam. This is the tweeter, a soft dome, 28 millimeters. With this, around this one is, they call it a reflection inner dome there to reduce the reflections. So the magnets here are ferrites to absorb the resolution, you know. The back side of the tweeter and the cable we can see. The same exactly approach as the woofers on the back. Here is the crossover 2.5 ways, very clean, very neat components. And here we have the baffle again, because here is the key technology of this speaker, the Elytron technology front baffle. It's magnetic one, and featuring these fiber grills attached from behind. You can put easily or remove the baffle easily. Has these curves in order to perform better, you know, in the low frequencies and the middle frequencies as well. by reducing the MDFs, the cabinet diffractions impact that every speaker has. This is a unique technology of Revival Audio. Here are the cloth covers that we can use them or not, it depends of our taste. Here is without the cover this special baffle elytron, and this is the way that we put the covers. And here we see the speaker, which as we said has 1.06 meters height, the impedance is 4 ohms, the sensitivity 89 dBs, and the total weight is 20 kilos per speaker. It comes in 2 different boxes, so when you buy a pair, you receive 2 big boxes. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Catch you in another video that we are preparing right now for the next new product. Thank you guys.